children, I am your Laura teacher. Today I am going to teach you separating solid and liquid for grade 4. First we are going to discuss about properties of matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. There are 3 states of matter. We can categorize them into solid, liquid and gas. First, solid, a material that keeps its shape however big or small. Liquid, a kind of matter that could flow into a container taking its shape forming a flat surface. And gas, a matter that also flows however does not comprise of a shape of its own and has the ability to spread freely. Then solid, it is rigid. What's the meaning of rigid? Unable to bend or be forced out of shape, not flexible and firm. It has a fixed shape. It also has a fixed volume. Liquid, it is not firm or rigid. It doesn't have a shape of its own. It has a fixed volume. Gas, it is not rigid. It doesn't have a fixed shape on its own. It doesn't have a fixed volume. Next, changing materials. Materials can be changed from one state to another. Materials can be changed by heating or cooling. Solids can be converted into liquids by applying heat. Look at this picture, melting of an ice cream, melting of a chocolate. Liquids can be converted into solid by cooling, water becoming ice. Separating materials. Matter can be separated due to their different properties. There are different methods to separate materials. First one, sieving, filtering, evaporating, hand picking. Let's learn new words. Dissolve. When a solid mixes with a liquid and the mixture looks clear. Liquid, a material that flows into a container to make a flat surface. Melt, to change from solid to liquid when heat is applied. Particle, a small piece. Separate, set things apart or remove something from a mixture. Solid, a material that keeps its shape however small. Solidify, to become solid. Soluble, any gas or solid that dissolves in a liquid. Solution, a liquid with something dissolved in it. Thank you very much, children. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you.